Most people think this cactus is cute, but it's actually using a survival strategy that flips plant biology on its head.
Welcome back to Succulent School. Today we are diving into the world of Mammillaria cacti, one of the most diverse cacti groups with over 200 species and wild adaptations. Mammillarias are instantly recognisable by their small round shape and their small bumps that are called tubercles. Each tubercle is like a mini survival unit, helping the plant expand and store water efficiently. And these fuzzy bits help the plant protect itself from intense sun and help trap moisture. Here's where it gets cool. Mammillaria, like all cacti, use something called cam photosynthesis, meaning they open their pores during the night when it's cooler and don't open them during the day like many other plants.
Why? This is to reduce water loss in extreme desert heat, so while you're asleep, your cactus is literally breathing.
And these iconic flower halos.
They're not random. Mammillaria grow in a spiral pattern at the top, so when they bloom you get this perfect ring of flowers like a crown. It's one of the easiest ways to identify them.
And once your plant has flowered, if it gets pollinated, you may get these weird looking seed pods, almost like chili peppers. So, if you understand the science, that makes the care much easier. Bright light, these are desert plants. Only water it when the soil is completely dry. They store their water. And don't overwater them, this is the #1 killer. Think neglect, but intentionally. The biggest mistake is treating them like a houseplant. If they're soft, mushy or collapsing, that's overwatering. If it's stretching, that's not enough light. So yeah, Mammillarias aren't just cute, they're engineered for survival. If you learnt something new, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another Succulent School, and let me know down in the comments if you have a Mammillaria or if you've killed one before.